Do you like bottled water? Well, welcome to my water bar. Yes, we built this over 10 years ago to be the first water bar so customers come in and can taste water from anywhere around the whole world, right? We have right here, you can take a look at Icelandic water. You have New Zealand water. You have water from Ireland. We have rainforest water. We have water from Poland. We have, oh, look at this one. We have the Andes mountain water. This is actually one of my favorites. Now, why do we buy bottled water? We buy bottled water because we need it to go, so the convenience factor, I get that. But we also buy it because there's this perception. And when you have a perception like, oh, something's better than the other, I wanted just to address that with you, because at my company, what we wanted to do with this water bar is educate people that, you know, you're buying something that's that in plastic. I mean, I have a bottle right here. It's been sitting here. Take a look at that. That's that in plastic, and take a look at what happens with a little bit of warmth. It has not been in hot water air, but look at that. That's just from being in normal 70-degree temperature. So if this water has been in 70-degree temperature and it's changed like that, doesn't that say something to you? Like, why would we possibly think that putting water in plastic, which is made of petroleum, is good for you? What shocked me when I started this is a lot of people don't even know that these bottles are made out of petroleum. It's like, would you ever drink petroleum? No, you know it's toxic. Well, we know that all these plastic water bottles have BPA in them. And we know that children and elderly shouldn't drink water with BPA, yet we bottle water with it. Riddle me that. Now, granted, we have some companies that are gonna go ahead and bottle in glass bottles, but it becomes very expensive. This one, for instance, is $7. My cost, not even shipped and delivered here. So by the time we got it here, it's $10. Have to sell it for what, $15 to a consumer? So it becomes kind of silly to buy that when I want to drink, I don't know, maybe 4 of those a day. It becomes very expensive. So, you know, the purpose of the water bar is to be able to explain to people that it's the convenience factor. I get that, but it's also because we have this perception that it's better, right? If it's from, you know, a volcano, that's got to be better. If it's from the rainforest in Costa Rica, that's better. It's got to be cleaner. So we think by marketing that it's better. Now look at all these marketing companies. No, is really one better than the other? The Environmental Working Group did a great job actually testing water. And what they uncovered was, yes, plastics in the water, microplastics in the water. They still even have contaminants like trihalomethylenes in the water. So it's like we have this fake belief or this false belief that this is better for you. So, you know, my passion is about making people more healthy. I feel like our job on this planet is to impact other people's well-being. And to me, water is one of the most wonderful ways I can do that for you. If I can help educate you a little bit about water, that this is simply H2O. It's the molecules that combine together to make a water droplet. That's it. The problem is, it's a party bus and everything wants to get on it. All toxins, all contaminants, also good things like minerals. So when we look at some of these market themselves as, hey, we have the best minerals. It's mineral water. It's, in fact, this one right here is sparkling mineral water, so it's a little fizzy as well. But the reality is we're looking to get minerals or a flavor, and we're looking for this belief that it's better for the body. So what I've learned in all the years, first in the healthcare world, but now in the water world, is that this is intrinsic to the human health. I mean, we in this industry sort of say that either you buy a filter or you become the filter. Why? Because you're nothing but a bunch of organs, right? Stomach, pancreas, liver, kidneys, we have gallbladder, we have upper and lower intestines. And so when we look at the body, we have to say to ourselves, wow, that everything that I consume becomes me. I love a great line, I've said this before, Sadhguru said this, which was, if I eat a banana in 4 hours, I'm that banana. I've sort of added to that, if you drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, you're that glass of water. So I think us as consumers, we think, yeah, I have to hydrate myself, and I want good minerals in it, and I want it to be safe. And so we see marketing and we go, yes, I think I'm gonna trust that one, or I'm gonna trust this one, or I'm gonna use Essentia because it's got a little, like, you know, cross on it, so I feel like it's safer. But the reality is, if it's in plastic, we have to ask ourselves, good. If it's made by a manufacturer, are we sure it's good? That's where doing your homework is so important. That's why I love the Environmental Working Group, It's a group of scientists who've literally studied it so they can give you those answers. Any one of these bottles, you can go to ewg.org and find out whether or not it's actually clean. Now, you don't want to actually go through that headache. What I would argue is that a great water company should be able to take this water droplet, strip the toxins off of it, and then add minerals back to the water. Now remember, the main minerals we're looking for is calcium and magnesium. That's about what all these have. Nothing much more, calcium and magnesium. So if you're looking to get calcium and magnesium and you're looking to make yourself more healthy, there are better ways to do that. For instance, we have a glass of pure water right here. We have a reverse osmosis system under the kitchen sink here that is NSF 58 certified. And at the kitchen faucet or at the kitchen counter, we can simply fill up this glass of water. And here we have a completely pure glass of water, which is as pure as we can get it. We have to claim 99.9% effective in removing toxins, but that means it's virtually toxin-free. Now, we know that's important because our water supplier, the city down the street, we know that there's still trihalomethanes. We know there's a lot of different toxins in the water at small doses, below the EPA standard, that 1984, that's a long time ago. So we're meeting that old standard, which has not been updated. So we have to ask ourselves, do we really want to drink that water if it didn't go through a purification system? And we do. What's great about a great water company, which we try to be, is we can add minerals back to that, calcium and magnesium. So we can achieve a flavor that's very similar to a lot of these bottled water. And if there's something else that you wanted, we probably would be able to do that for you as well. But what we know is that water droplet was removed of all toxins. And when we have a manufacturer that's about making profits, we have to ask ourselves, is that really happening? Now, I know that that's made by another manufacturer, and so but its goal and its certification says that it will take out the toxins, and then you have the ability to go back and test it to make sure it has taken out those toxins. Now, we've tested it over and over again, and to my happiness to say is that it's worked really well in taking out those toxins. So that said, to me, this is a great opportunity for you as a consumer to be able to take control of your own health, take control of your life, and by the way, reduce your pocketbook expenses because this becomes very expensive over time, and enjoy a great glass of water that has calcium and magnesium added back to the water. Pro tip, just so you know, Celtic salt is another great way to get the calcium and magnesium into your body, just because you just take a good pinch of it every morning, and it has 56 minerals that the body needs in that Celtic salt. So it's a phenomenal way to be able to get those minerals that you want in your body and not hope that some bottled water company actually put that in there, even if their bottle says it. So cheers to you. I hope that this helps you in your quest for good, healthy water and making you, yourself, and your family healthy. If you need any help with that, you can contact Angel Water at angelwater.com. You can reach us at 847-382-7800. And by the way, if you have friends or family that love bottled water, share this video with them, please. Click like, and we would really appreciate joining our community because our whole goal here is to help you become more healthy. My name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.